Emma app honest review watch before using managing your money can be confusing, and most people get this wrong. They track spending manually or ignore budgeting apps entirely. Emma app is a financial management tool that consolidates accounts, tracks spending, and provides insights to help you make smarter decisions. The surprising truth is how much control it gives over your finances. You won't believe how much easier budgeting can be. Here's how it works. Emma connects to your bank accounts, credit cards, and other financial services, automatically categorizing transactions. For example, it can show how much you spend on groceries, subscriptions, or entertainment each month, helping you identify areas to cut back. Emma also offers features like subscription tracking, savings goals, and alerts for unusual activity. Most people get this wrong. They miss hidden subscription charges or fail to spot trends. Emma makes it easy to catch these issues. The app provides visual charts and summaries that simplify complex financial data. Premium users get advanced analytics, cashback recommendations, and exportable reports. However, there are considerations. Some banks may have limited integration, and premium features require a subscription. Most people assume all accounts sync instantly. Setup may require permissions. In conclusion, Emma app is a powerful personal finance tool that helps users understand spending, save more, and make informed financial decisions. It's ideal for anyone looking to simplify money management and gain control over their finances. Subscribe now for more honest reviews of finance and budgeting tools.